Hello, it's like I'm here to show you a coloring book, a picture of a Big Bird, like a Big Bird, and I mean is like what I do is I went ahead and colored part of the beak area, and then along with the rest of the picture with the Santa hat, and then I used the black, and then the red, and then the orange, and then the yellow, and then the brown. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is use the black and then shade in the eyes a little bit. Shade in the eye. And there, like this, like in the shaded eye, and then possibly what I'm going to go ahead and do is add a little bit of shade of red right down in the mouth of the beak. And there you are. It's like Big Bird coloring.